Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. So welcome to another video, and in this video I will show you how to do this amazing bright light with the budget of less than $20. So let's get started. To make this DIY, you need three things. The first thing, the most important, is 12 volt LED lights, which you can get from any hardware store. I got this LED lights 12 volt for only 5 dirhams from Mart. The second thing you need is the transformer to connect the lights to the plug. You can also get this for around 5 or 10 dirhams. So this is 5 dirhams as well. So total is 10 dirhams now. The last thing, the most important, is a reflector, which is aluminum anodized cake pan. This cake pan cost me around 3 dirhams. So it is very cheap to make a DIY. So let's now make this DIY. So what you need is all these three things, and you need to start ripping off the plastic or the adhesive from the LED strip, and you have to keep it going till the point where you want to put your LED. So as you can see, I am putting this LED in a circular round. I'm not putting on the base of the cake pan, because if I put on the base, the light will be so directly towards me that it will be like all white. So that's why I am putting it on the side, so that it will reflect from the base towards me, so it will act as a reflector. Once you finish sticking the LED towards the cake pan, you need to open your transformer, and there are some cut points on the LED where you have to cut. It's very easy to to cut the LED, and just need to cut the wires, and you need to put those wires in the AC and DC so that the current will go. And this transformer, without transformer you cannot turn on the lights, or either you can short circuit the lights, or you will destroy your hard work. So you need to remove the lights, and you need to put there in the transformer, and it's very easy. Like it hardly took around 15 minutes for me to to install the light through the transformer. And you need some basic tools like a screwdriver. Either you need a cutter or a plus and a scissor to cut the LED. So now we will test our light. So we are going to test it now. We are turning off now. You can see it's working, and you can see how bright it is. It's too bright that even in no light, it's like a room proper flashlight. And as I told, I have two cake pans, so I have installed both. The same way I have installed, as I don't have the full length, so I have installed a small amount of LEDs on it. So this is the final lighting which you will get once you finish that DIY. What I did is that I purchased the set of 3 cake pans from a crockery store, which cost me around 5 dirhams, and then I went to the Dragon Mart to purchase the LEDs as well as the adapters. So the total cost is around 15 to 20 dirhams. You can take it 20 dirhams, and the light source is good, and it's very very bright compared to the normal room light or a small LED light. And this is very easy to make and easy to maintain. I just hang it on the tripod. I just screwed it to the tripod, and currently I'm using two cake pans. So I'm planning for the third one. The third one should be on the left side so that it can cover that area, as well as the small one will be on the right side to cover this area, so that all three lights should be on me, and it will give a great effect on the videos. So this is it. This is my small video for the DIY for the for the vlogging light or the video light. So I hope you like the video, and if you like, please thumbs up, press the bell icon, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you so much, and have a great day.